Did he come up and out of the shot too early? A long way away. Oh, 28 yards on, so challenging two-putt coming up for Barnes. He's not looking as if he's firing on all cylinders at the moment, but a long way to go.
Every shot here can make a world of difference, and not just on the leaderboard. Because shots taken at the Memorial Tournament, presented by Nationwide Insurance, benefit Nationwide Children's Hospital, so they can care for every child who comes through the door, regardless of their ability to pay. At Nationwide, we understand how important it is that we give back to our community, because we're a mutual, and we exist to serve our customers. So our goal is to make sure we all win. Learn more at nationwidechildrens.org.
Nationwide is on your side.
Edmunds.com says that Lexus holds its value better than any other luxury brand. IntelliChoice proclaims that Lexus has the best overall value of any brand. And J.D. Power & Associates ranks Lexus the highest in customer satisfaction. No wonder more people have chosen Lexus over any other luxury brand 11 years in a row. See you at Lexus dealer.
Introducing the new SGX from SkyCaddy. Jim Furyk calls it an indispensable tool. Fluff says it's the closest thing to a tour caddy's yardage book because it's the only rangefinder that walks every course to verify every distance. And in this game of inches, every yard counts. SkyCaddy's new SGX, the closest thing to the real thing.
How do you define major?
It's where one putt can change a career.
It defines a champion like no other.
U.S. Open Week, June 13th on Golf Channel.
Who is Graham McDowell?
Tuesday, Golf Channel gives you exclusive access into his world.
Who is Graham McDowell? I'm Graham McDowell.